Stay awake for too long, don't go to bed.
Everyone waits for perfection, but I don't. Because perfection is built, not revealed. This is not a product launch. This is not a finished machine. This is a signal. I call it HELIX. A prototype, raw, unpolished, still learning. And that's exactly why it's matter. HELIX wasn't born in a factory. It was shaped by questions, by failings, by late nights and revived ideas. Every wire here has a purpose. Every moment is intentional. Every mistake is logged, not hidden. This is not about making something pretty. It's about making something capable. Because the future doesn't belong to those who consume technology. It belongs to those who understand it. HAITx is not building toys, it's building systems. And systems don't appear complete. HELIX is only the first body. The intelligence will grow, the control will sharpen, the mission will expand.
I'll make a cup of coffee for your
Prototype today, discipline tomorrow, impact after that. This is not content, this is construction. HELIX is active. And this journey has just begun.
Cuddle in your sheets, sang me sound